Meme coin traders are making a lot of money right now, and I want you to be one of them. Guys, obviously you see the article on the screen right now, Shiba Inu coin or Dogecoin. Which meme coin is going to soar higher during June? Now, I think it's absolutely hilarious that you've got this article here, but look at the bottom of the screen. PlayDoge is being advertised right now, and we're also going to be talking about PlayDoge as well, because yes, Shiba Inu coin can soar higher, yes, Dogecoin can soar higher, but if you're looking for serious gains in the upcoming month and in the upcoming bull market, you need to check out PlayDoge. In just the last couple of days, these guys have already raised $500,000, and you're going to see a price increase in the next day in 14 hours. So let's discuss what's going on in the meme coin sector, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and my oh my, we've got a ton of expectations moving forward, and we've got a lot of excitement moving forward. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video here, because meme coins are here to stay. I do live streams twice a day during the week, every single day, and a lot of people always ask the question, Claybro, do you think that meme coins are here to stay? Do you think that they really have a chance? And my answer is always yes, absolutely. The moment that people stop having a sense of humor, the moment that people stop voting for the underdog, the moment that people kind of stop wishing and hoping for prosperity, that's when meme coins will die out. I don't think we're ever going to see that happen. So let's see what they say about Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and so on. It says the cryptocurrency market has witnessed a resurgence in the meme coin category despite a cool-off in the price action of the top crypto tokens. Leading meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin have successfully regained momentum. And if you just look at it logically, all right, follow that logic train. If the top meme coins are doing well, these smaller meme coins will be doing well and possibly even better in terms of capital gains. You guys have seen this cycle before. It says, additionally, this month has seen significant gains in the value of each of these meme currencies portfolios, indicating a rise in investor optimism. As volatility rises in the cryptocurrency space and the hype surrounding meme coins intensifies, the question arises, is the cryptocurrency market on the verge of experiencing meme mania in the upcoming weeks? In this article, we delve into the analysis of Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu coin. Now you've got Dogecoin on the verge of its triangle pattern breakout, and Shiba Inu coin hints at a bullish breakout as well. Guys, basically following very, very similar price patterns because, of course, Ethereum and Bitcoin are following very similar price patterns. But PlayDoge, okay? PlayDoge in its current stages has nothing but bullish momentum. Now that is because it's a pre-sale and you can't go out there and sell this token at the moment, but the marketing on this hasn't really ramped up yet, and these guys are doing almost $200,000 a day in sales. Now, it's the perfect combination of 90s nostalgia and the Tamagotchi and like old school arcade style games with play to reward, I guess, abilities. If you guys are interested in the play to earn sector, PlayDoge here is a play to earn companion game. But I do want to say, first and foremost, if you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you use the affiliate link that's in the description below. And after clicking connect your wallet, I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can go through whichever process you want. You're going to determine how much you want to buy. Now, 10BNB is going to let you walk away with 1,170,998 PlayDoge at a price of half a cent. Guys, now if you just imagine if this 10x's, 20x's, how much money is possible following the launch of PlayDoge here, and just, I guess, newsflash, breaking news, bombshell, whatever you want to call it, these guys are going to be going through 40 different stages. 40 different stages means that you're going to see 40 different price increases before PlayDoge goes to launch. So if you're looking to make a ton of money even before the launch, you're going to want to get in during these earlier stages. Now, some of the things you need to know, they are building out this app, and the app development is going to start when the pre-sale ends. And from there, I believe it's later on this year that they would expect the app to be finished, but it's going to be a little Tamagotchi-style Doge that you can raise, and you can pet, and you can entertain and feed, and so on, but you're going to be earning PlayDoge by doing so. And that's the huge aspect of the play-to-earn genre. Play-to-earn games right now are doing billions of dollars in revenue, and this is a major sector that could see huge growth as time goes on. Because it's fun going out there and playing a little game on your phone. Maybe you go to the bathroom at work and you spend an extra 5 minutes in there relaxing a little bit, playing on your phone there. And you could be earning some cryptocurrency while doing so. Now, just go through this website. Use the link in the description below to pull it up. You can go through their roadmap. You can go through their tokenomics and all of that good stuff. They've got a very easy tutorial on how to buy if you need walked through the widget that's at the top of the screen there. But things that you should understand, right? You've got what is PlayDoge? It's the mobile 2D adventure game, and it is a play-to-earn game. You're going to be able to earn PlayDoge by doing so. You're going to be able to download it on Google and iPhone after its launch. The PlayDoge utility, you've got staking rewards, and it's a play-to-earn game. And of course, it's going to be on the BNB blockchain when the pre-sale is over and it goes to launch. So let's say you're not necessarily worried about trading. You want to make some nice passive income. Check this out, guys. 641% annualized interest right now without even having to worry about going out there and trading and dealing with all of the volatility. There are so many upsides to PlayDoge at the moment. But I can tell you this, and I have bought into PlayDoge myself. I can tell you this, right? If Dogecoin soars during the bull market, if Shiba Inu coin soars during the bull market, all of these little dog coins are going to soar along with it. If you don't believe me, just go back and look at the records of 2021. Everything that was related to these Inus and Shibas and all of that soared as Shiba Inu coin was hitting all-time highs. Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin going neck and neck at all-time highs. PlayDoge could be next. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.